Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up fingerprint and face unlock on Samsung Galaxy A57. To do that, let's swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon to open settings. Here we're gonna have to find and open security and privacy menu, then go to lock screen first. Now let's create a default unlock method, for example the pattern, which we have to enter once and then enter it once again to confirm. Okay, so now we have the basic lock screen. So now let's go to advanced options by going to lock screen once again. Okay, and let's start with face recognition. Once you select this option, you're gonna have to make sure that the room you are in is bright enough, that your smartphone's front camera isn't in direct sunlight, in the range of direct sunlight, and also make sure to wipe it with either the corner of your cotton t-shirt or microfiber cloth, depending on what you have nearby. And after that, just look directly at your device's camera, tap continue, tap register, and keep your face directly in the circle of your smartphone. Look up when you're prompted to, and look down. Then keep your face in the middle and wait until it's registered. Okay, so now we can easily unlock our device using face simply by taking a look at our lock screen and swiping up the screen. Now if you want to set the fingerprint lock, let's go to screen lock and biometrics menu, and now let's select fingerprints. So before we set up a fingerprint, let's wipe the surface of our entire display so that we don't have any stains on it, then tap continue, tap register, and now start pressing the icon on your screen, then lifting it until the counter reaches 100%. Just keep doing the same thing over and over until the fingerprint is registered and ready to use. Okay, now let's tap done, and now we can unlock our device both using fingerprint like this and using our face like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.